Today we'll be learning how to round up in Excel. Open up your Excel worksheet containing the data you want to round up. Now, let's round up these values. You click on the cell you want to display your round up. It must be an empty cell. Then you input this formula equal to the round up formula. You open your bracket, then you select the cells you want to round up. Once that is done, you place a comma and you input how many decimal places you want your answer to round up to. That is the number digits. Let's try using one decimal place. Then you close your bracket and you click the enter button. So you can see that this figure has been rounded up. To apply this formula to all cells here, you click on the cell containing the data and you place your cursor at the bottom right corner of the cell. Double click and drag across to other cells, and your answer automatically fits in. This is the round up answers, as you can see displayed here. So that is how you round up in Excel. That wraps up the video I'll be showing you for today. If you like this video and would like to get more informative video tips like this, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos.